So let me give you my top 3 reasons why I never put solar on my house and why that's all changing. First concern I had, you may share, the cost, right? We're talking about putting a pretty extensive system on your roof. The cost, let's not kid ourselves, it's not cheap, or at least that's what I thought. Second reason I avoided putting solar on my home is I wasn't sure that the cost was worth the benefit. We always thought we might sell the home. If we put solar on today and we sell tomorrow and there isn't enough time between today and tomorrow for me to save money, that's not a good investment for us to make. Third thing, even if we had a little bit of time and there was some potential savings there over the long term, there was always this concern of transferring the system to the new owner when we sold our home. And those 3 reasons kept me from putting solar on my house years ago, and I wish I would have done it because we wouldn't be paying the outrageous rates that we're paying today. And that's all going to change. If you want to know more about instant savings, 0 money down options, whether you lease or own, and the guaranteed transfer program, give me a call or shoot me a DM. I'd be glad to share some details.